Hey, what is up, AP Biology students? Today we start our reviews to get ready for the AP test. I want to give you some information about this as we go through this module together a little bit, and you can do this on your own at the same time. So, here's today's module, and if you go to this page, we just have a rundown of some information I want you to know about heading into next month's test. And then we have a review lesson, and then there's a review question for you to complete. So let's just go through this so you have the information from me. AP exam schedule, you can look at this to see when all of your AP exams will be. The one that's important to us is obviously the AP biology test, and you can see that will take place on Monday, May 18th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll give you more specifics as we get closer to the test date, but you can get that on your calendar. Monday, May 18th, 2 o'clock. Yes, that's after the last day of school, but you'll still be expected to take the test. Monday, May 18th, 2 o'clock p.m. And you can see based on these times that everyone in the U.S. will be taking the test at the exact same time, even though we have different time zones. Next, what will our test be like? And I'm not going to read all of this to you, but it's basically going to be two questions, two FRQ questions, which stands for free response questions. Question one will be a longer one. It will be 25 minutes. Question two will only be 15 minutes. And you can see that what we've done all year, interpreting and evaluating experimental results, that's been almost every single class that we've had, especially when you guys get together in your groups. You are consistently evaluating experiments, so you should be hopefully prepared for that one. You can see the description. You'll get an authentic scenario, so maybe something you never learned before, or maybe some material that's brand new, and you would have to try to explain the data. And then maybe apply it to something that we have talked about this year. And that will be the big question. 65% of the final score will be based on that question. Question two will be conceptual analysis. So you'll get another scenario given to you, and then you'll have to describe some biological concepts, explain those concepts. You might have to predict some things, and you might have to justify your claim with reasoning or evidence. This will only include units 1 through 6, the test, and not 7 through 8. So that's why we're finishing where we're finishing, because although I'd love to talk to you about zoology and anatomy and physiology, it will not be on the test. And luckily, most of you have had anatomy with me already, so there's no need for us to go back and review zoology, anatomy, and physiology. And really, I wanted to finish the botany unit, but there was not a big reason to get through botany either. Now that the AP biology people have come out with the first 6 units, which we have done, those first 6 units. If you go to the AP College Board, you can see that they've been putting out daily lessons, and I've chosen to just start that today, mainly because we have gotten through the natural selection, the evolution, the phylogeny, the speciation, ecology. We've gotten through all of that. So I wanted to start our review with the investigations. So, investigating membranes. Next time we meet, we'll investigate enzymes, and then photosynthesis and cell respiration. We have 6 classes left. So these last 6 classes will be devoted to our ability to conceptualize and analyze scenarios, which is what you'll see in today's investigation. And here it is. So a lot of these videos are 40 to 45 minutes long. I'm not going to make you watch the whole videos. You're more welcome to watch the video. But I'd love for you to watch about 16 and a half minutes of the video for today's investigation, and then you will have a question to answer based on the review of that information. And it's very much a question we've seen before, so hopefully you can do pretty well on it. You'll have a file that looks like this. You'll just need to answer the question below the file and send that back in to me. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you guys later.